Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Rajshahi Online School. Dear learners, how are you? I hope everyone fine. Alhamdulillah, I am also fine. My dear learners, I shall teach you English past paper for class 8. Our today's topic is at the airport. At the airport, Unit 6, lesson on. My dear learners, everybody be attentive with your textbook and open your book. Lesson 6, Unit 6, lesson on, page at 60 on. At the airport. First, we learn some keywords. Lounge. First word is lounge. It is noun word and its synonym is sitting or waiting room. Immigration. Immigration is also noun word and its synonym is migration. Together. Together is an adverb. Together synonym is with each other. Our next word is visit. It is a very easy word. Everybody, I hope everybody gets its synonym. Visits is a verb word and its synonym is travel. Board. Board is a verb word. Board is also verb word. And its synonym is get on. Get on. Board is a synonym is board on. Get on. Okay, dear learners. Already I shall learn the section on. Look at the, everybody see the picture. Look at the picture and talk about it. Everybody please look at the picture on your book and gaze about it. Okay, dear learners, I hope everybody get it and gaze it. Okay, I also talk about it and everybody listen to me. Okay, dear learners, in this picture we see that many people are waiting in a room with their luggage and other things. Okay, many people are waiting in a room with their luggage and other things. This seems to be a lounge at the airport. Okay, this seems to be a lounge at the airport. The doors and walls of the room are made of glass. On aeroplane is take off Okay, take off the airplane. Okay, dear learners, everybody already gazed the pictures. Okay, dear learners, here some question about the pictures. Okay, first we read the pictures, then try to answer the question. Okay, dear learners, first question, what do you say? What do you say? Okay, everybody, we say the many people are waiting in a lounge. I written the question answers. Everybody, you write down your notebook. First question, what do you see? Okay, what do we see? We see or I see, we or I see in the picture we see that the many people are waiting in the lounge. Okay, dear learners, many people in the lounge and the airport. At the airport. Okay, my dear learners, with their luggage. I also an aeroplane is taking off in the background. I also see an aeroplane an aeroplane is taking off in the on the background. My dear learners, our next question is question number 2. Can you guess where it could be? Where it could be? Okay, my dear learners. Yes, obviously we guess. Yes, I can. Okay, it could be a lounge at the airport. Yes, I can. It could be a lounge at the airport. at the. Our next question, who are the people in the picture? Who are the people in the picture? Okay, who? The people in the picture are the passengers of an aeroplane. Okay, third question answer. The people in the picture, the people in the picture are the passenger, are the passenger. Passengers of an aeroplane, of an aeroplane. Okay, dear learners, already we have finished, completed 3 questions answers. Next, the fourth question and last question. What could be their relationship? What could be their relationship? The people sitting in the front seems to be a family. The man and the woman seem to be a spouse. The 2 girls sitting between them could be their daughters, or the girls could be cousins. Okay, my dear learners. Our last question answer is, what could be their relationship? The people sitting in the front, the people is sitting in the front, front seems to be a family. To be a family. Seems to be a family. The man and the woman woman the man and the woman seems to be a spouse. Seems to be a spouse. My dear learners, the 2 girls sitting between them. 2 girls, the 2 girls sitting is sitting between them could be their daughter. Or the girls could be cousins. Okay, my dear learners, all the questions have complete. Okay, our next section B, we shall read the passage, then the text and find out if your guess are correct. Okay, Jara lives with her parents in London. Jara lives with her parents in London. Where does Jara live? Jara lives with her parents in London. They have come to Bangladesh to visit Jara's aunt and uncles. Why have they come to Bangladesh? They have come to Bangladesh to visit Jara's aunt and uncles. She is very close to her cousin Mita. She is very close to her cousin Mita. Both the families have visited many interesting places together in Bangladesh. It was great fun. Then they decided that they would visit some places inside Bangladesh too. They decided to go to Thailand, but Mita's parents are too busy with their work, so they could not go. However is a grammar topics. Okay. However, Mita was going with them. Mita, Jara and her parents are at Hazrat Shah Jalal International Airport. In the lounge, Mita is very excited. This is her first time to board a plane. They are flying by Bangladesh Biman. Mita is hoping to have a great time in Thailand. As they wait, the two cousins started planning what they would do once they reach Bangkok. Mita's uncle brings forms for all of them to fill in before going through the immigration. He gives one to Mita and says, you have to go some information about yourself in the form. The immigration officer will check your passport and stamps it, and then you are ready to travel. Mita, Jara and her parents started filling in the forms. Okay, my dear learners, Mita, Jara and her parents started filling in the forms. We have completed our pages reading, and then section C we see another some questions. Why is Mita excited? Okay, my dear learners, everybody, before answering question, we learn some grammar focus. Okay, here some grammar focus. However, as they wait, the two cousins started planning what they would do once they reached Bangkok. And however, Mita was going with them. However, as it is a grammar terms, and the word or phrase that links or connects more than one sentences is called linking words or linkers. It is the linkers. Okay. What type of linkers use in the pages, and what type of linkers use the grammars in our grammar book? Okay, dear learners. Grammar focus, my dear learners. Okay, linkers list, lastly, and another finally, another in fine, another is as a result, another is so, however, and however, then, dear learners, then next, on the other hand, and on the other hand, etc. Okay, it is our linker or connector. The word, this is the word, this is the words and phrases that link or connects more than one sentences is called, it's a linkers or connectors word. Okay, dear learners, normally some adjective or adverb also used in in the sentences as a linkers. What type of sentence or it is on the as since and but although etc. Okay, my dear learners, already on the other hand, some conjunction also used as a linker. Okay, dear learners, already we have been learned our today's topics. Here some grammar focus. Our next section C, we have seen some questions. 3 questions here. First question, why is Mita excited? Okay, my dear learners, why is Mita excited? Mita is excited because she is going to board a plane for the first time. Okay, dear learners, for the first time is going to aboard in a plane. Okay, my dear learners, why was Mita excited? Mita excited because she is going to board a plane for the first time. For the first time. Okay, my dear learners, already we completed our first question answer. We did the second question. Why aren't Mita's parents going with her? Mita's parents aren't going with her because they are too busy with their works. Because they are too busy with their work. Okay, my dear learners, they are too busy with their works. Okay, then third question, what does an immigration officer do at the airport? An immigration officer checks the passport, visa and stamps, exit or entry in the airport, passport. Okay. An immigration officer check checks the passport, checks the passport, visa and stamps exit and entry in the passport. Okay, my dear learners, already we have finished our all question answers. Then I shall give you our today's homework. Okay, dear learners, everybody be attentively completed will be completed your home. Section D. Section D is your homework. Here, write a short composition about your experience of traveling to another place. It could be going to your grandparents, aunts, sisters, brothers' house. Any type of traveling. Okay, dear learners, homework is our today's homework section D. Okay, my dear learners, already